to my channel. Today we are making flourless chocolate cake. So for Christmas, my brother's partner made this really delicious flourless chocolate cake. I had never made one before, so I decided to go ahead and give it a try. It's only got a few ingredients. It was really delicious. I actually took it to work the next day and all of my colleagues really liked it. So I thought I would share it with you and show you how to make flourless chocolate cake. Let's get started. We are going to melt our chocolate first. So I've just melted mine in a double boiler. You can also melt it in the microwave if you want to. In a clean and dry bowl, we're going to whip the egg whites until they're frothy. Then we're going to add half the total sugar in this step. And then we're going to keep on whipping them until they just get to stiff peaks. Now that we've melted our chocolate and we've whipped our egg whites, we're going to go ahead and make the rest of our batter. So we're going to start with creaming our sugar, the rest of the sugar, and also our egg yolks until they are light and very pale in colour. To that, we are going to go ahead and sift our cocoa powder, and then we're going to keep on mixing until that is nice and incorporated. We can then go ahead and add our chocolate. This is going to make your batter very thick, or at least it did for mine. I thought this is where the recipe was all going to go wrong because it was just so thick, but stick with it because it ends up beautiful. Here I'm just spatulaing the batter and thinking, how am I ever going to make this work? But I promise you it does turn out really nice. So we're going to fold in our egg whites in thirds. The first, you want to be gentle, but you don't have to be as gentle with the first bit of egg white that you put in. Just get it nice and incorporated, and that will start to lighten the batter. Folding in those egg whites, you'll notice that it becomes nice and voluminous. You want to fold in a figure 8 type pattern so that you still keep that nice, light, airy body. When you don't see any more unincorporated egg white and you've folded it all in well, we're going to go ahead and put this into a greased and lined 20cm spring form pan and get it into 170 degree Celsius preheated oven. We're then going to go ahead and bake it for about 35 minutes or until it feels firm to the touch. It will rise and then you'll find that it falls back down again. This is completely normal for a flourless chocolate cake, so don't worry, you haven't done anything wrong. The last thing that there is to do is allow it to cool to room temperature, slice it, serve it, and enjoy. I served it with a little bit of whipped cream, but you could also dust it with icing sugar. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you go ahead and make this flourless chocolate cake for yourself. If you like this video, please go ahead and give us a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, and I'll see you next time. Bye!